Hey, Sammie.
We are in shop.
What country? Czech Republic.
Yes.
That kind of toys shop, really nice. And we're going to buy something, right?
Yes.
I like Play-Doh, of course. What do you want to show? Yeah, Sammie getting into Nerf guns.
Look what we have here, guys.
I guess you want to buy it to review, yeah?
Yes.
We might buy it, we'll see. They have some Nerfs, which is crazy good because we love Nerf guns. Okay.
And here is upgrade kit.
Yeah, upgrade kit. I love this one. That would be good for me. We back and play the section. I think this is new. It's for girls, but it's nice. I never seen this one, Sammie.
Me too.
But this kind is crazy nice.
Yes.
You want to buy this one?
Yes.
The big one? Actually, there are some cans. Would be nice to do something with this, Sammie.
Yes. It will be nice to have that.
Look around. Of course, some dolls. Oh, My Little Pony dolls. We're not going to buy those, but we'll take a look. Oh, come on.
We have some sand.
You want to buy some sand?
Maybe kinetic.
Kinetic sand, that's what we like. Disney furry dolls. I guess they make some new ones for Christmas.
Yeah.
And Barbies. We're not buying dolls, but we want to show them to you because a lot of girls watching our channel, right? And Monster High. Look at her.
Look what we have here.
What's that? That's boomerang, yeah?
Yes, I want to show.
Where? This won't work now, Sammie.
It's not?
Not now. And some frozen stuff and frozen dolls. What you got there?
Hot Wheels for a controller.
Oh, nice.
I want to have
RC car from Hot Wheels.
the green one.
Wow, this is cool.
Yes.
Sammie, I like this shop. We need to come here more often.
Yes.
We are first time in this
But
one actually.
remember, we need to review this.
Oh, we need to buy it one day and review it. Look, some more Hot Wheels.
Here, guys.
I'm coming. Oh yeah.
Lego Advent calendar.
Calendars, yeah, that's nice.
That's
Lego
a new
City.
one.
Lego Friends.
That's a new one.
Yeah, I never seen before Lego Friends Advent calendars.
And this one.
Yeah, I think we're gonna get this one and we're going to open it on one of our videos.
Yes.
Tell us, guys, if you want us to buy anything else from here to review.
Yes. I want to
A lot of Legos. Do you want to review this? I think we might buy it, you know? Okay. A lot of Legos here. All types of some Star Wars. What?
It would be good to buy this and that.
Sammie! Would be cool to buy all this stuff.
No, I just want this attachment.
We'll think about it. Oh, more Hot Wheels. Mega Block Hot Wheels. Oh, and Call of Duty. Actually, I like Call of Duty, but the game is coming out soon. The new part. No.
Little guns.
Very small gun.
Yes. I love this one. Daddy, I want to show you what kind of game I want to
Game?
Yes.
What game?
This one.
With this dog?
Yes.
I don't know, but it's in Czech language, man. We wouldn't understand it really. Oh, making poo? Is this a game?
Yes.
That's what you wanted? Or it's just a toy?
It's a game.
Pokemon. Some stuff about
Pikachu.
Pokemon.
That's
Yeah,
Pikachu.
I know. Look,
Whoa. What's that?
we might buy this.
And this.
So they have 3 colors of those simple cars, but we might check them. So we take them. And hex box, that's really cool stuff. Wow, that's huge. Wow.
Walkie-talkie spoon.
Oh, walkie-talkie, yeah. Sammy wants to buy a walkie-talkie. He's talking about this recently a lot. So Sammy, you taking this?
Yes. This one? This one?
Sammy's ready to go. I'll take Star Wars Advent Calendar.
The upgrade?
You taking upgrade as well?
Yes. This one? This one or this one?
Yeah, so Sammy's sleeping there. We got some stuff from the shop. We're going to review. Oh, he's waking up. Obviously. Hello. What's up, Sammy? Are you awake? He's supposed to get up, actually. What's going down? No, Sammy, that's it in today's video.
Yes, please subscribe.
Yes, subscribe and watch us next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Thumbs up.